Hello, Verbling. I hope you're all having a great day today. My name is Lauren, and this is a class on the most common American and Canadian idioms. So, of course, we're going to be learning the idioms, but I'm also going to get you to come up with your own examples and think of your own examples as to how we can use these idioms. So, I see that people are joining the Hangout already. We have Aichu. Welcome back, Aichu.
Thank you. How are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good, great. And welcome as well to Amp. Welcome back. Amp can't, oh, poor Amp is gone. Welcome to Onur. Hello, Onur. Onur, you might be on mute because we can't hear you right now. So if you're on mute, there's going to be a little red button here at the top of your screen. Onur, so if you're on silence or on mute, there's a little red button right here. Make sure it is not red. Click the button. If you have a problem, Onur, type the problem in the chat. Oh.
Hi, Laura. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Good. Onur, were you on mute?
No. Just I didn't turn on the sounds.
Oh,
So,
I see.
So I could not hear you.
I see. Okay. This is good to know for me because sometimes I'm speaking to a student and I like to know what problems there are. Okay, great. Thank you. And welcome as well to Mode. Hello, Mode. Mode, are you there? Mode STW. STW, I think. Mode, I can't hear you, so you might also be on mute. So if so...
Hey.
There you are. Hi, how are you today? How are you, Mode? Mode STW, can you hear me? Mode, if there is a problem, please type it in the chat. Type it. Okay, I'll come back to you, Mode. And welcome to Alejandro. Hi, Alejandro. Alejandro Arias? Alejandro Arias?
Hi, teacher. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you today?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, this is my name.
Yes, good. How are you today?
I'm going.
Good.
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. Great. And welcome back to Juan. Hi, Juan.
Hello, teacher. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Very good. Happy to be back in class.
Yes, I'm glad you're here too. And thanks again for your help yesterday. It was much needed. And welcome as well to Kareem. Hello, Kareem.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, actually great. How about
Gr-
you?
I'm great too. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. I'm just looking. So I think most of you might have seen already. We can get started. I posted a document in the chat. I will post it one more time. So that's the document we are going to be using. I had a student named Ahmed, and he wanted this class, so I hope he gets in. And Furkan is writing in the chat a whole bunch of idioms, because he's silly. Okay, I'm going to screen share this for you, but first, is anyone new to Verbling? Is anyone new to Verbling? Okay, great.
No?
Good. So I'll just screen share this. Okay, so I tried to put some easy ones on here. So maybe you will know these ones. Maybe you will know these ones. So most common idioms. Do you know what this one is? To let the cat out of the bag. To let
Yes.
the cat out of the bag. What does this one mean?
Yes, I already saw that before.
Yes, Kareem?
It's like to tell something that is a secret, often without intending to. It's like
Yeah, that's exactly it. Kareem is correct. So if you think of a cat, meow meow, a cat, okay,
yes,
inside of a bag, and you go into a restaurant, and this is your secret, right? So you go into the restaurant, and this is your secret. If the cat gets out of the bag, you cannot just say, no, there's no cat, and put it back in the bag. The cat is out of the bag. This secret is out.
revealed.
This, pardon me, Kareem?
Revealed, I said.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll put this over here. Kareem, what was the exact words you used? Let's put this in for our definition.
Which one? The last one?
Yeah.
I said revealed. I think
Yeah, I think you said this secret was let out unintentionally. Sorry, revealed. Let's say revealed. Yes, the secret was revealed unintentionally. Great. And Kareem, can you think of an example as to when you might say this, or a sentence of how you might use this idiom? Did you understand that, Kareem? Kareem, can you hear me? Kareem, we can't hear you anymore. You might be on mute. Kareem, if you are on mute, there's a little red button over here. Make sure it is not red if you are on mute. Let me know if there is a problem. And Larissa, I see you're typing in the chat that you are having trouble with your ticket. I don't know why, but we have the class is full right now, so I'll say hello to the new classmates in a second. But I don't know why your ticket isn't working. But Larissa, if you're having a trouble with ticket, send it to support@verbling.com. Okay, I put the email there. Okay, great. And we have new in the Hangout. So Alejandro came back. Great. And we
Yes.
also have, yes, and we also have Conrad. Welcome, Conrad.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks. And you?
Great. I don't think I've met you before.
No, never.
Is this your first time on Verbling?
No, I've been in another English classes. Just
You must...
it's my first class with you.
Conrad, you must learn from our British teachers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it. Great. Okay, and I think, oh, and we have Monim. Hello, Monim or Moniem? Oh, we can't hear you. We can't hear you, Moniem. Look up here. There might be a little red button. A red button over here. Make sure it
I
is.
fix it.
There
I
we
fix
go.
it now.
How are you
How are
today?
you? I'm fine. What
Good.
about you?
I'm good too. I'm good
Yeah.
too. Great.
I'm
Welcome
glad
to
to hear
class.
that.
Welcome
Thank
to
you,
class.
thank
I
you.
haven't met you before either.
Yes, I'm new. I'm fresh.
New to Verbling.
Yeah.
Oh, yay!
This is first class to me.
Oh my goodness, that's so exciting. Welcome. Yay!
Yeah, thank you.
That's great. I'm sure you'll love Verbling. That's great.
Yeah, I'm
And
sure.
also welcome to Vincenzo. Hello, Vincenzo.
Hello, hello. Wait a moment. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Look
How are
fine.
you?
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, great. So let's continue then. I just have a question before we continue. Has anyone had any trouble with the tickets?
Me.
Any trouble with the tickets? You have, Moniem. What trouble have you had?
Now I fix it. I have no problem now. Before I was having
You were
some
having.
problem, but now it's okay.
Okay, good, good. I'm glad. Okay. If there's ever a problem, it's good. Talk to me about it during class because I want to know the problem so we can help fix them for everyone. Okay. Let's continue. So, does anyone want to think of an example for this one? Let the cat out of the bag, which, as we talked about, it means to reveal a secret unintentionally. Maybe we can get Juan. Juan,
Here.
when would be a time that you could use this idiom?
I was talking with my friend about the surprise party, and I accidentally let the cat out of the bag.
Yes.
About the
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Even just let the cat out of the bag. So the party was for your friend. The party was for your friend, and you accidentally told your friend about it. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a perfect example.
Yes.
That's a perfect example. Thank you, Juan. That's great. So I was talking to my friend and about the surprise party and accidentally let the cat out of the bag. You realized after you already told them about it that you were not supposed to tell them. Any questions about any questions about this one from any other students?
Any
No, exactly, not exactly.
We're good? Great.
We are
any questions?
Mm-hmm. We're good? Okay, let's continue then here. So, have you ever heard of this one, monkey see, monkey do?
No,
Yes.
this is first time.
I saw it.
Tell me, monkey see, monkey do, or what?
Yes.
What does it mean, Kareem?
Monkey see,
It's,
monkey do.
It's usually say for the kids. When they see something, they just do it, just like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They
Has
copy.
anyone? Yeah, they
copy.
copy.
Yeah,
That's exactly what it means.
they copy every action. Bad action, actually.
Exactly. To copy someone without thinking. That's exactly true.
Yeah.
Exactly. maybe I could say, for example, I could say, I chew, you know, it's not very good to be saying bad words. Don't say bad words, I chew, because you know there's a child in the class today. His name is Alejandro. And Alejandro is just a young child and he does not know right from wrong. Monkey see, monkey do. Before you know it, he will be swearing. He will be saying bad words too. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Yeah? So I chew, why don't you think of another, putting that in a sentence. And you can use the example I gave you, but just practice using that idiom. Monkey see, monkey do.
Okay, let me think about something.
Okay. And while Aichu is thinking, if any, Larissa, just let me know in the chat if you did email Verbling and if you found out why you can't use your ticket, okay? And does anyone else have an idea of just putting this in a sentence or in a scenario?
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
Yes, Conrad.
For example, when a group of students are talking inside a classroom, and one of them have an obnoxious behavior, the teachers could say, monkey see, monkey do, or not.
Yeah, totally. Oh, that's really good. That's a really good example. Thank you, Conrad. So let's say, Conrad, you are all my students. You are all in grade 1. Okay? And you are all talking and being very bad. And Conrad is the worst. Conrad is the worst.
Obnoxious and cranky.
Yeah, obnoxious and loud and very bad. And I say, Conrad, stop that. Monkey see, monkey do. If you're obnoxious, soon everyone will be obnoxious.
Get out here.
Get out. Get out. Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to put that in here.
But it's not necessary to confuse the verbs, only to put expressions.
Pardon me?
It's not necessary to confuse the expressions, only put the expressions. For example, monkey see, monkey do.
Did you say there's no need to do what with the expression? Say that one more time, Conrad.
The conjugation, it's not necessary only to put the phrase here, monkey see, monkey do, or not?
Good question. No. It's the expression and it stays the way it is, even if you're talking about it in the past.
Oh, it's not important the time.
No. Great question. So yeah, one of the students in the class, let's say, yes.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Yeah, you can use this expression also with talking to a person when you could say, what are you saying? That's like monkey see, monkey do, or not?
Yeah, what would be the situation though? It depends on the context. So what would be the situation?
Yes. when you don't agree an answer with another person, by another person, you can say this, no? Monkey see, monkey do, or not?
Well, it only applies if you want, or if you do not want someone to copy or to repeat the behaviors of someone else that are bad. But I mean, like, for example, let's say a child is very bad, okay? So let's say Conrad is a very bad verbling student, very bad. And
Yes, yes, yes.
another verbling student says, why, Conrad is so bad. He's so bad. He's so loud and obnoxious. And, you know, maybe, you know, monkey see, monkey do. His parents must be like that too. This means he must have learned it from his parents because children copy.
Okay. So you refer only to children. Yeah. Okay.
Normally.
Normally, yeah.
Normally, yes.
Yes, yes.
Aichu, did you have an example?
Yeah.
Great.
One kid was rolling in the ground at the park, and when the others joined him, the mom said, "Monkey see, monkey do."
So when she was walking, where?
When she was rolling in the ground.
One more time?
One
was
kid
walking on the ground.
Walking on the ground?
On the ground, I think.
Oh, you mean like when a baby learns how to walk?
No, I said when the kid was rolling on the ground, but I'm not sure about the word rolling.
Worrying. Like this?
No, I will write the sentence on the chat.
Okay, yeah. On the ground. Okay, and while you're writing that, I'll come back to that Aichu.
Okay.
We have this one over here. To hit the nail on the head. And you know what? To make this easy for you, I'm going to make these in blue. So there you go. So you'll always see that easily. Have you heard this one? Hit the nail on the head?
Yeah.
You have heard of it. Do you know what it means?
Yeah.
Yes, Onur.
Hit the nail on the head is if you give some expression on something, definition on something to say that, to understand that to another people.
So like,
perhaps to bear in mind.
Your Laura, your examples are hit the nail on the head style, I think, like that.
Yeah, and I simplified what you said here. When someone expresses something that is just totally correct, does that to you, or should we add something onto that? Do you want to add something onto that, Onur?
Sorry?
Do you think we should add something onto that definition, Onur?
Do you want to create a? Do you want creating a sentence?
Oh, actually, that would be a great idea. Yeah.
Lauren's example is are. Not is are. Hit the nail on the head style.
Great. So because you're using a verb, like that? Yeah, you don't even need to say hit it at R. You can just say so. Lauren's examples hit the nail on the head. This means the examples she thinks of, and thank you very much, Onur, they're very correct. Now, I just want to show all of you, if you don't understand what this means, this is a nail. I'll show you a picture. And the top of the nail is the head of the nail. Let me just show you right now. This is a nail, right? And this is the head of the nail. So if you are to hit the nail on the head, it means that you hit in the exact spot. What you did was perfect. You did not miss. You did not hit over here. You hit right on the spot that you needed to hit.
In the middle of...
Right in your head.
Yeah. No. So, for example, okay, let's say amp is amp is expressing views on let's say problems in politics, okay? In his political party, he says, you know, this is my opinions. I might think all of your points are so correct. You really hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head. What you said was exactly true, was exactly correct. Okay. It's like when you get to the real issue, when you get to the real point.
Bingo.
Teacher.
Bingo, yes. I'm writing
Bingo.
that down, actually.
Yeah. Teacher.
Yes.
For example, when you say you hit the nail on the head, is a good insight or not?
Can you say that one more time, Conrad?
Thanks for your insight or not?
Oh, sure. Yeah. You could compliment someone and say, thank you for your insight. You really hit the nail on the head.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfect. That's a great example, actually. Anyone else want to give an example for that? Okay. And
I can try.
oh, yes, please, Amp.
How you have suppose he lost his new pants? You hit the nail on the head.
So how he had... Can you repeat the first part one more time?
How you have suppose he lost his new pen? You hit the nail on the head.
So how you had... So... Did you say his new pen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's another way you can use it, to say that your prediction is correct.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say the boy didn't come to school with a pen, and you knew he did not do it on purpose. He had lost it. Yeah, good. I'm going to put that here too.
It's me, Laurie.
Yes.
Lauren. Can I say also in the plural? For example, the teacher is very clever. She hit the nails on the head. No.
Oh, thank you so much. But yeah, you wouldn't turn it into plural.
No, it's impossible. No, it's not right. I must say she. She hit nail on the head, not in the singular.
Yeah, and it would always just be singular, just like that. And actually, Conrad asked that earlier for another one. Normally with expressions, we often do not conjugate it. We often do not conjugate it. But great question, Vincenzo, because yeah, you would just always keep it as one nail.
Because you are teaching a lot of topics, so I could say that we can express also in the plural, no?
You can say, instead of plural, you can say, she always hits the nail on the head.
Always, okay.
She's always right.
Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm. She's always correct.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But it's impossible to be always correct.
Yes, nobody is perfect. This is true. Okay, so let's move on then. And I just want to go back to I choose example. So I choose, you said, a child rolled on the sand at the park, and when the other children joined him, the mom said, monkey see, monkey do. Absolutely. Absolutely. They think, oh, that little boy looks like he's having so much fun getting dirty. That's great. I'm just going to copy that in here. So Great. Great. Thank you, Aichu.
Thank you. I have a question about the third one. Is it correct if I say my dad's prediction about the hockey game hit the nail on the head?
Yes. Yes, that's really good. I just realized I don't think you saw me. I typed that into our notes over here. So I typed your example into our notes here.
Okay.
Okay. And yes, absolutely. Yes, perfect. He was exactly correct. What he said would happen, happened.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, have you heard of this one, when pigs fly?
No.
Never. Never.
Something impossible to be.
Impossible. Never
Oh,
happen.
Nihan, I heard your voice. Hello.
Because the weight. Because the weight of the pigs. They can't fly. It's
Exactly.
something impossible.
Yes, did you just guess that, Moniam?
Yeah.
Is it Moniam or Monim? I forgot.
Moniam.
Moniam.
It's Moniam.
Yeah, exactly. So if you think of a pig, they can't fly. So when you ever hear, when pigs fly, I will make $1 million. Or, yeah, that will happen when pigs fly. This means that's impossible and it will never happen.
Of course. Yeah.
Great, great.
So you can say, excuse me, teacher. You can say, come on. It's like when pigs fly. What are you saying? What are you saying? When pigs fly, something like that, or not?
Well, it would have to be when something is impossible. So, like, for example,
yes.
So let's say,
Yes.
so for example, Vincenzo, let's say, Vincenzo says, you know, I really hope that next year I make more money at work. And maybe Vincenzo's wife will say, yeah, when pigs fly.
Yes.
Or I hope
yes, when pigs fly. Okay. Just in order to something the other person is saying that is not true, no? That you are thinking it's not true, no? Okay.
Not true, but not possible.
It's impossible. Yes.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
for example, the politicians want to be corrupt when the pigs fly.
Perfect. Exactly. Let's get this down here.
Pigs.
We have disaster here.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's perfect. Does anyone else want to try?
I will transfer to Superman. When pigs fly. Into Superman, when pigs fly. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, and you could. This is a sarcastic comment. And I know Nihan loves sarcastic comments.
Yeah. My boss loves more.
Ironic.
Just before I mentioned, he said you can speak English fluently when the pigs fly.
Oh!
Yeah.
Did you slap him? Did you give him a slap? Did you go like this?
Nope.
Oh, Nihan, you know,
I'm working harder and harder, but I don't know.
Nihan, I said, what did I say? Oh, there's an idiom. It's called, Nihan, put your money where your mouth is. This means that Nihan is always talking very sarcastically, But now she needs to put her money where her mouth is. This means like bet on it, risk money. So you should risk money, Nihan, by giving your boss a slap in the face.
Impossible,
That's good
Laura.
advice.
It's not a good idea.
That's excellent advice.
Ammonium is being sarcastic now. Well,
No, I said
Nihan,
that's excellent advice.
I know. Let's put this down. No, maybe I should change this name because maybe Nihan's boss will see.
No, he doesn't know English.
Then he doesn't know how good your English is.
But he's talking and talking.
Well, I don't like him very much, Nihan. I'll tell you that.
Can't me too.
Does anyone else have another example they want to share? Oh, Amp. That's true. I'm going to put down Amp's example. She just put this in the chat. Oops, not. Hang on. Will. Exactly. So I don't know if you can see this here. So she said in the chat, politicians around the world are going to be worried about the famine in Africa when pigs fly. So this would be like a sarcastic thing, like, oh yes, they will care in the future when pigs learn how to fly.
Yeah.
So it means the politicians won't help us. We need to do something. Oh, Jasmine, poor Jasmine. She says, I'll find a job when pigs fly. Yeah, that you could say that. That's a pretty common thing. Sometimes we just say the word when pigs fly. So someone, for example, this would be very mean, but let's say someone asked Aichu to go out on a date, and they said, Aichu, will you go out on a date with me? And